How to tweet on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can tweet on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to tweet on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Twitter application here. Once you open the Twitter app, you're going to see this type of interface where if you'd like to tweet something, make sure that you're logged into the account. Then you want to simply tap the plus icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the plus icon from the bottom right over here you can see tweet, so just tap the tweet option here. Now here you can simply select any of the tweets that you would like to make a tweet of. After you've done this, you can simply go ahead and actually choose to add a photo or video, whatever else you can prefer here. Once you've done that, you can choose if everyone can reply, or only people you follow can reply, or only people you follow back or mention can actually reply. Depending upon what you want over here, you will be able to simply go ahead and then add them. You can see all followers, you can tap on it to send them to Twitter circle, or only all followers. Now once done, tap the tweet option and your tweet will be successfully made on Twitter, as you can see here. This way you can basically go ahead and then actually make a tweet on Twitter. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.